Hey all, hope you're doing well. So today I'm here with a new video recipe of simple bread chili. No veggies, nothing, just the sauces. So the main ingredient is the bread. So here I have took around 6 to 8 bread slices and roasted it on a tawa. If you want you can add a little bit of oil or else you can just toast it as such. So next we are moving on to the preparation of sauce. So into a pan added around 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and next we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and let it saute well. So next we'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it well. So next we'll be adding the chili sauce, that will be around 1.5 tablespoons. Usually I add green chili sauce. You can add any of this either. Add this and mix it well. Now add a little bit of chili flakes for like around half a teaspoon into the sauce, as while serving too we'll be adding a little bit on top. Next add around a quarter, not even a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and red chili powder. Mix it well. Now this is optional. Now if you want the sauce to be a little bit thick, you can make the corn flour mix. Here I took around 1 tablespoon of corn flour and added a little water to it and mixed it well and added to the sauce. Make sure there is no lumps, and at this point please turn the flame low, and if you want you can add a little bit of water too. So this is the exact consistency we get for the sauce. Now I like oregano a lot, so here I added 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. So if you want you can add this too. And finally we'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and mix it all well. Now if you want you can add a little bit of vinegar and soy sauce too in the last. Make sure that you turn the flame off. So moving on to the toasted bread, we have to cut it into very small pieces, like 9 pieces out of a single slice of bread. The bread pieces are done. Now moving on to the sauce, we'll be adding the bread pieces, half of the bread pieces first, and toss it well in the sauce, and then the rest. Make sure that each single piece gets tossed well in the sauce. Check with the salt level. If required, add a little and toss it well again. So here's the bread chili ready. Now you can garnish it with a little bit of oregano and chili flakes too, or any leaves you want like spring onions. So hope you all liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.